Hi, my name is Joel Clark, and I am the Vice President of Information Management and Capital Projects at Southeastern Guide Dogs. At Southeastern Guide Dogs, we train service dogs for the visually impaired and for military veterans suffering from post-traumatic stress. And we are a completely not-for-profit organization. We depend entirely on the generous donations of our supporters. So everybody that receives a dog from us takes those dogs home free of charge. And we're very proud of that. I've been doing this for just about 35 years now. At our campus here at Palmetto in Florida, we have a 34-acre campus that is just filled with massive buildings that have people and dogs all over the place. And of course, with today's concerns regarding cross-contamination, infection, even before we had COVID-19, we had a very, very high focus, and it was a very big priority for us to maintain very clean and sanitary environments for our students, for our volunteers, our staff, and of course for our dogs. And at any given time, we could have as many as 250 dogs here on campus between our puppies and our adult dogs in training. So we are always looking for great new ways to clean our spaces, and we need those ways to be environmentally friendly. They need to be healthy for the people and the animals that share the space. And one of the great things about Ozone is that it allows us to rapidly disinfect an environment without leaving any residues behind, and to return the space very quickly back into use for our staff and for our dogs to occupy. We have been absolutely blessed with a wonderful opportunity to put in ozone generators by SanusAer into our facilities here, and our great gift of ozone generators is made possible by the George and Millie Brown Foundation, Family Foundation, and we sincerely appreciate their support for our organization. So where do we use these things? Great question. So we have a process here on campus that starts with the conception of our puppies all the way up through the graduation. Then that we obviously have to make sure the environments that those dogs are living in are clean. So our puppies are all born at our puppy academy, and they have these wonderful little 12 by 8-foot whelping suites that mom gets to live in to have her puppies. Between each cycle with a mom coming into one of those suites, we have to deep clean that environment to make sure that it's healthy and safe for our puppies. We have 12 of those suites. So at the very beginning, we're using it to clean the very space that our puppies are born. We use it to clean the space that our puppies live while they're here in training, and we use it to clean the spaces that those dogs come back in to live at our residence halls when they return back from their puppy raisers. We also invite students to campus, and they live here on our campus for about 2 to 3 weeks, depending on whether they're service dog or guide dog students. And those dorm rooms that they live in, we take very special care of. We want to make sure that all of our students are safe and they're healthy. So we're using ozone treatments on a regular basis, certainly every time we have a new class coming in, but even during our class cycles, when our students are off campus for a morning, we're able to get in there and to effect the treatment. Of course, we treat all of our office spaces and our working spaces, and it's very important that we keep that environment safe for our staff and for our volunteers, but we are, of course, very, very focused on making sure that our students and our dogs stay healthy. So if you're interested in taking a look at some of these SanusAer products, please visit them at their website at www.sanusaer.com or give them a call at 740-387-PURE, and that's 387-7873. Thanks.